A sticky problem. Scientist Anna Bullis wanted to help fix the problem of gum on sidewalks, so she found a way to recycle gum. This is how she did it, step by step. Step 1. She learned about gum. Anna couldn't recycle gum without learning about it. She learned that gum is made out of a kind of rubber. People use rubber to make things like boots and balls. Anna thought she could use gum to make things too. Step 2. She recycled the gum. Anna took some old gum and heated it up. She mixed plastic into it. That made it stronger. Then Anna used a mold. A mold is a hard container. She poured the soft, warm gum into the hard mold. She wanted to give the gum a new shape. The gum cooled and hardened. It was a new shape. Anna had done it. She had recycled the gum into something new. Step 3. She helped clean up communities. Anna knew she could recycle a lot of gum. She started a company to do just that. The company hangs up pink plastic balls in different communities. People put their chewed up gum in the balls. They don't throw it on the ground. When the balls are full, Anna's company collects them. It collects the gum inside. It turns the gum into new things. Anna had found a smart solution to a sticky problem. They're made with gum. Here are some of the things Anna's company makes out of gum: boots, pencils, cups, and rulers.